Welcome to Upstarburst. In this video, I will show you how to use Brave Talk to make calls from any browser for free without any account. To do that, open any web browser and go to talk.brave.com. Click Start Free Call. Select and allow microphone for browser. Click Allow button. Type your name and hit Join Meeting button. Meeting will be joined and you will become moderator because you started the call. You can enable disable audio or camera, raise hand, use text chat, see participants, and share screen. Click three dots to see more options. From here you can invite people and adjust other settings. If you click invite people option, you will get the link that you can share with people you want to invite in this meeting. Copy meeting link and share with others. Once you share the meeting link with others, they can use any browser to join this meeting. After the join, you can communicate with them visually by using audio or text messages. End call by clicking Leave button. So you either start a call and become moderator, or you get the invite link and follow that to join a meeting that is already started. Brave Talk is free for video calls up to 4 people. Also, if you have installed Brave browser in PC, you can click the Talk card on the Brave New tab page to start the call. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.